Hello everyone. Do you want to install Scarlet IPA files on your iPhone without any hassle? I will guide you step by step so you can do this easily. So now let's get started. So the first step is to download the Scarlet application on your phone. So open Safari on your iPhone and search for the Scarlet IPA installer. Now once you find the official source, download the app and follow any prompts to install it on your device. Now next, go to your iPhone settings, navigate to General, Profiles and Device Management. Now find the Scarlet Developer profile and Top Trust. This allows the app to run on your iPhone without any issues. After that, launch the Scarlet app and connect your iPhone to your computer using a cable. Use iTunes or a similar tool to transfer the IPA files into the Scarlet application. Alternatively, you can upload the IPA files through a cloud service like iCloud or Google Drive and open them with Scarlet directly. Now, once the IPA file is loaded in Scarlet, tap on it to begin the installation. Wait for the process to complete. After installation, the app should appear on your home screen, ready to use. And that is how you install Scarlet IPA files on your iPhone. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.